What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're looking at the Tamiya Nissan Fairlady 240Z 124 scale street custom sports car series number 367. This is a new tool of an old mold that's been around for a zillion years. I looked on scale mates and kind of got lost, to be totally honest with you, but they changed the nose on it and added a couple other things. It's got some photo etch stuff. I'm really excited just because if you know anything about the channel, you know I love Datsuns, absolutely, and this is it's iconic for a Datsun car, Datsun lover. The 240Z is pretty badass. Never had one. Maybe one day. I've had a whole bunch of trucks, a whole bunch of the 620s, 720s, had a couple of the cars, but never one of these. So, I get to relive that through plastic. We're going to pop this thing open and take a look at what's in here. Like I said, it's not a new mold, it's a new tool. They retooled quite a bit of it. They changed the nose. Like I said, there's some PE stuff, some photo etch, and I'm really excited, looking forward to it. So we'll gonna get it all out of the box here and everybody out of the pool. Go through it and kind of give you my thoughts and review as we travel along this journey of unboxing. Like I said, I looked online a little bit already and found, a couple websites of there's pictures of the tools and the exploded views, but we're gonna go through it so that you can see it. And wow, that is, I don't know if the camera will show that, but that is a really thick manual. Oh my gosh. I don't. Oof. Wow. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not intimidated at all. Whew. Oh, what have I gotten into? So here's the decals and the photo etch stuff. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Some script and some, looks like headlight surrounds or something. I'm not exactly sure. Really good looking stuff. This will be an unwrapped unboxing. I'm not going to take the stuff out of the plastic, but I am going to show it to you so you can see it. Like I said, I looked on ScaleMates, and there are pictures of all of the parts. I'll just do my best to hold still and zoom in later. And here, we're thinking on the fly here. Let's do this. Put it with background. That'll help the camera focus on it. Wobbly camera. No, whatever. Shooting from the hip, man. Do you really like this channel? Why? Great looking tires. I mean, those are absolutely great. It's a 124 scale, so, they're a little bit normal than the 125th, or a little bit larger, I should say. Good looking tread pattern, soft rubber. It's definitely a street tire. They're just staples. I'll put it back in there later just so you get a better shot of it. This is a full motor kit, so there's a lot of parts and a lot of detail. And not only that, it's right hand or left hand, so there's going to be additional parts for interior and such. More chrome. We'll leave those in the bag. The window surrounds. Wow, those are gonna be a lot of work. A fair amount of work involved in this kit. Cool. We'll look forward to it. Nice clear glass. Headlight covers. Lenses to be painted in your colors later. And then there's the motor. I'm really curious to see how other 3D stuff is going to fit in there in its place. I mean, I'm not saying that that's what I'm going to do, but I'm curious. As I was looking online at this kit, I was also looking at the other, the 280Z, the 370, the 400, some of the other kits that I have, and ones that have motors. Wow, those are great looking wheels. There's only one set. Interesting. I thought there would be more than one set of wheels. Is there anything on the black one? Nope. Okay, optional over fenders. That's very cool. So you could make it, you know, more stock than the Street series. And then here's the other right-hand drive, or left-hand drive rather. Good looking stuff. Really good looking detail on the carburetors. Very cool. Crisp. Everything's really sharp. I don't see any flash, noticeable flash or anything anywhere. All the small parts have really crisp markings. Looks nice. And last but not least, the body. Ooh, be careful. It's got a little support there, but man, be careful of that A-pillar when you're working with yours. This will be a nice kit. You can just see there's already indications that it will build up really well. As I said, I was looking online and looking at some of the other kits out there, the ones that I have, Fairladies. The engine detail on this looks really cool. I'm really looking forward to it. There are some detail up kits available for them for, you know, hoses and such. But, you know, if you know anything about the channel, we'll probably do a lot of that here. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.